clicks don't tell the full story when measuring the performance of Google Display ads. Display ads can attract a customer's interest in your product and brand, even if they don't click on an ad. Oftentimes, customers take note of your business's value proposition through visuals, and then later visit your website or physical location to make a purchase. Imagine this online journey. A customer browses their favorite website when they see your Google Display ad. Later that day, they click on a search ad. And after a few days pass, the same customer sees a display remarketing ad for a product they viewed. At this point, they're very interested in your product. So the next time they're searching for a deal or a review of your product and see a search ad, they click it and buy. Display impressions should not be overlooked, since they helped influence the customer's decision to buy. These impressions will not receive any conversion credit in Google Ads, since there were other clicks before the conversion occurred. If the customer only saw the Google Display ad and then later purchased on your website without clicking any other ads, this would be a view-through conversion in Google Ads. If you use Google Ads for conversion tracking, you should measure both click-through and view-through conversions. This is critical for understanding the full value of display across your Google Ads account. To do this, go to Tools and then Conversions to set your view-through conversion window. Now include view-through conversions in your campaign reporting by modifying columns. Ensure that all conversions and view-through conversions are selected as columns. By adding view-through conversions to these columns, you can bid to the full value of your display ads. Keep in mind that Google Analytics goals are not compatible with Google Ads view-through conversions. If you use Google Analytics for conversion tracking, or import goals into Google Ads, turn to Google Analytics for measuring display performance. Navigate to Conversions to view the Model Comparison tool. Use the Model Comparison tool to view how display ads influence purchasing decisions across all marketing channels, not just within Google Ads. In Google Analytics, you can view the data on a non-last-click attribution model. To access this report, click on the Display channel in the list of channels to narrow down the analysis to display campaigns. Then change Type from All to Google Ads so that Google Ads campaigns populate in the table instead of the channel-level view. In this example, a customer discovered that a large majority of their converters were influenced by a Smart Display campaign. So, they took the actionable step of continuing to optimize and invest in this campaign type. You can also navigate to the top conversions path to help visualize how display interacts with other channels. Using these steps, you'll be able to better understand the impact of Google Display ads and learn how to use these insights to optimize your campaigns.